Hi there, I'm Peter Millard and this is 10 Minute Workshop. We're 10 minutes in the workshop. Well, that's about all I can manage at the moment. In this week's quick video, I'm going to go back in time and take a quick look at a small job I did last year. It's coming up next. You know, jobs don't have to be large to be worthwhile. In fact, some of the most satisfying are the smaller jobs that make a difference for the clients. This particular client, they'd downsized from a larger home to somewhere smaller, and although the rooms are nicely proportioned, not everything you have fits. In this particular room, there's a chimney breast and an alcove on either side, and the alcoves have floating shelves fitted in them, which sort of came with the property when they purchased. They also have a large painting that they want to go on the chimney breast, and it just overhangs either side of the chimney breast of the alcove, and it just sort of didn't sit well with the client. They wanted me to come up with a solution for this, and all I decided to do, and what I suggested, was that we just put little infills between the floating shelves, so it all sort of extends the chimney breast out slightly. It wasn't far, it was about 70mm on each side, but just enough for the painting to sit against a solid, and then obviously we filled in between the infills and painted it all so that it looked nice and flush. And this is how that job went. So, bright and early again, off to Chelsea. To see my to do a few little odds and ends. It's like night today, it's so dark. I'll have to put my blower on, sorry about that. A little bit long. Street lights are off. Don't need my lights on. Going. And everything else I need. So, sod's law, I'm here kind of early. A miserable day here in London. It's brightening up a little bit, but it was raining all night, and it's all really close, kind of sticky sort of day. Anyway, I got here about 15 minutes faster than I thought I would, so I just cooled my heels for 10 minutes and then we can head in to the client's house. I'm working in client's bedroom today, so obviously don't want to get there too early, even though I'm sure they're up and about, so I'll get there, check my messages for 10 minutes and hop around the corner when I'm ready. So yeah, it's a question of just sort of cutting things carefully to fit and gluing them in place. No big deal really, just a little bit of careful work. The MDF infills are trimmed to size after some careful measuring for both length and angle. Nothing straight or plumb on this job. And I'm using a fast-setting PU adhesive to glue them in place, carefully tapping them home to get them as flush as possible. With the adhesive set, I can fill any cracks with a quick setting filler, then sand this back and put on a couple of coats of paint to finish off. And that was that. I never got to see the finished room or the painting hanging in place, but apparently it fitted perfectly, which is all I need to know. That's it. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you found that useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it freely, and please consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. Hey, just check back on a Friday when there's always something new up at noon. I'll see you then. Take care.